Hey everybody, welcome back to Gardenish. Wanted to do a quick video to show you guys just some random stuff going on around here. I'm not taking you in the garden because it's very embarrassing right now. We have lots of weeds and lots of junk going on out there. We'll get out there. I've got a couple projects I want to do later on after we get some cooler temperatures. It's like, what are we? We are September 25th. Here in Zone 6, Missouri, and it is 86 degrees at 4 o'clock in the afternoon. We've had some really warm days lately, and yeah, it's just, I ain't going out there. I got other stuff I've been doing. So what I did do today, though, was I went out and watered this afternoon. I want to show you these two guys. I got a couple melons. Don't know what they are. I thought they were cantaloupe, because we've gotten 2 cantaloupe this season. These, I don't know what they are. So we are gonna cut them open and we're gonna check them out. They smell melony, but I don't know. I looked through my seed bin because I told myself I was going to keep every seed packet this year, so I knew exactly what was out there. So I guess I'm gonna have to go back to some of my beginning videos and see what exactly this is, because it's obviously not a cantaloupe. It was ripe. They were ready to come off. The upper tendril, or the tendrils that were above the stem connected to the fruit itself, they were dried up. They were getting more and more dried up as you went up. So I knew that they were getting close to being done, or actually overdone. They smell amazing. So yeah, we're gonna see what these are, and I may take you and do a few other things today, but I just want to do a quick video, get you guys something with my shining face in it, and yeah, let's see what we got growing here. Look at these. I mean, they're beautiful, whatever they are. This one's got a little spot on it, but that's gorgeous. I just don't know what kind of melon this is. If you guys know, tell me in the comments. And if you don't know, I'm gonna try and figure this out. So let's cut these babies open. I'm going to start with this one. All right, so we cut this open. It looks like a cantaloupe. It smells like a cantaloupe. The seeds look like cantaloupe, but I know a lot of melon seeds look a lot alike. I got my trusty spoon. I'm gonna scoop these seeds out and see what we've got here. I don't know if these are little bitty mini cantaloupes. Where did I get these seeds from? I hope they taste as good as they smell. And these are perfect. I don't know. I don't think these are, I don't know what these are. It tastes good. I guess if it's not good, I'll know in a couple hours if I'm on the toilet for a long time or worse. I don't know. But I'm gonna eat more because, yeah. It's soft and these flies are attacking me. Well, attacking my cantaloupes, or my mini, I'm gonna call them my mini melons, because that's the only time I can say this, that I have mini melons. Ah, if you know me, you know that that's funny. I don't know. This thing is really good. So I'm gonna save these seeds. I know my house is gonna be ridiculous. I've already put up so many seeds from other stuff that I saved from. Nick's gonna kill me because I'm gonna have more seeds on the counter, but it is what it is. And these are fun little things. If I don't know, I'm gonna put the other one, I guess put it in the fridge so it doesn't go bad on me quicker, but it's like your own personal little melon. I love this. Way better than those big giant cantaloupes. Those are a pain in the butt. You never eat all of it. I still have some sitting in my refrigerator at work because I haven't eaten it all. So, yeah. Now I'm attracting all the flies. So I'm going to get this stuff in the house. I'm going to take you on a little tour. We're going to do some other stuff today, hopefully. Anyway, yes, to these little bitty things. I'm going to try and figure out what they are. They're amazing. I'll have seeds if anybody wants them.
Saw you standing there, highway broken down. Thought I'd pull over and help you out. Halfway nowhere, what you doing here? In these silent hills all by yourself. I know this feeling, we could fly together. Here go my hopes up through the stormy weather. Saw you standing there, highway broken down. Thought I'd pull over and help you out. Halfway nowhere, what you doing here? In these silent hills all by yourself.